All right. So if you're watching this and you're probably the woman who everyone depends on, right? The one who doesn't drop the balls, the one who figures it all out, and really the one who keeps moving even when your body is clearly asking you to stop. This is all about you, right? This is strategic health for the woman who holds everything. And in this next 20 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the trajectory of your health, your energy, your focus in 10 weeks without dismantling your life. All right. Now, listen, if you are a high performing woman in midlife and lately something feels a little bit different, your sleep isn't as restorative. Your weight doesn't respond. Anxiety seems a little bit closer to the surface. Your energy, your focus feels unpredictable, and your labs are whispering. Then I want to tell you that you're not burned out, you are overextended. Now, high capacity women do not collapse, they compensate. And compensation looks like strength until it becomes dysfunction. And dysfunction over time becomes diagnosis. And so, even if you have good doctors, even if you're working with functional medicine or other practitioners, you know the language, you've done the research, but no one is really looking at your entire chessboard, right? And midlife is not a single piece problem, it is a position problem, all right? So my name is Dr. Keeley Verrett, and I am the founder of the Restoration Institute. And for over 2 decades, I've worked with high performing women who expect their bodies to match the lives that they have built for themselves. Now, listen, it's not about fixing symptoms, right? It really is about positioning. Because when you realize that your health is not a single piece, it is an entire chessboard, right? And so for the women that I work with, their chessboard includes things like hormonal instability, changing body, sleep architecture, inflammation, anxiety, mental fog, right? But biology is not the only thing on the board. There are relationships, navigating career load and business growth, caregiving, launching children, grief, major life changes, chronic stress. And then there's the things that we don't even quantify, right? The emotional suppression that for some women has, going on for 20 years. The invisible pressure that happens every single day. Being in spaces where you may be the only one. And then on top of all of it, navigating your future, your health, and your matriarchal responsibilities. So, when I look at conventional care, um, it evaluates pieces, right? It rarely evaluates your position in the world. And really, under sustained pressure, position really does determine the trajectory of your health. Now, I want to tell you that, in my experience, right, like your health does not collapse overnight, right? What happens is that it shifts day by day. The anxiety starts to rise, the inflammation lingers, your energy and your focus become harder to access. And strong women just continue to do what they have always, always done. And they push until the body pushes back. So listen, the issue is not lack of information, right? They have the information. They watch the videos, they read the books, they take the supplements, they hire experts, and still something is not shifting. And my women are intelligent, right? Like they know what to eat. They know that sleep matters. They know how stress impacts their health, right? They see their doctors. They make really informed decisions about their health. And still their body is no longer responding as it has in the past. All right. But what they don't have is a personal daily restoration strategy, right? That a strategy that in their everyday life that is based on their unique constitution, their daily schedule, and their symptoms that are showing up and presenting themselves in their bodies right now, right? Health is not built, real health is not built in appointments, it is built in rhythm. Now, listen, this is not just another protocol, right? This is a framework. If your daily rhythm is misaligned across your physical, your mental, your emotional, and even your energetic layer, there's no supplement, no diet, or no protocol that will override this strain. The life force method was built to solve that. And it creates a daily system inside of your real life that brings all four layers into alignment. And when alignment returns, life force rises. Now, look, the life force method is not about motivation, right? It is the strategic activation of your available vitality. Now, when your life force is strong, your energy is steady, the inflammation settles, your anxiety decreases, and your hormones balance. When your life force is depleted, you compensate, you push, you override, you brace, your labs change, your vitality declines. You no longer remember what it feels like to feel good. And listen, most high capacity women, they live right here. Now, what makes this different is that functional and conventional medicine work at the laboratory level. Listen, I highly, highly respect it, but labs are simply reflections. They tell us what has already happened. Now, I work at the daily regulation layer, right? Showing you what you can shift daily, working on what is in your control, recalibrating what you influence every single day. All right. Now, here's where my secret sauce lies. It's the I. I don't guess, I assess, right? I use the I as a map. And it reveals how your unique system is wired, where you're strong, where you're vulnerable, where you're compensating, right? We don't start from scratch. We don't pile on supplements. We really build a precise daily restoration strategy inside of your busy life based on what your body has been missing. And we do that step by step, day by day, layer by layer, slow and easy and beautiful, so that your body's overall healing potential is restored. Now, when we do this, we use four touch points a day, right? Inside of your existing life, inside of your control zones. And your control zones are really the parts of your day that you already influence, right? And we build this not outside your calendar, but inside of it. And now this is not hype, it is real self-authority. Creating a day that heals you instead of kills you, right? Because you are the medicine. Now, on paper, right? Like if I just want to give you a couple of examples. Now, here's one of my private clients. She was a project manager and a fitness expert, really, really high output, but um, hidden stress, right? The thing is that I want you to see is that she was disciplined, consistent, high capacity. She exercised every day. She ate right. She could not lose weight. She had an 8 out of 10, a pain level of 8. Nighttime leg pain. She could not sleep. Nothing really looked wrong, right? Her system was just compensating. Now, what her IMAP revealed, and just bringing back that discipline was not the issue, effort was not her issue. Um, it wasn't really a motivation problem. It was chronic activation, right? And when we looked at her eyes, we saw, her inflammatory load. There was no decompression. She was bracing through the pain and basically cramping all day. And she had just chronic sympathetic system activation. And what we did is that we stabilized her rhythm. And in a very short time, I think 3 weeks, she was sleeping through the night. Her pain level went from an 8 to a 2, right, in 3 weeks. And eventually, at the end of her 6 week, she was in no pain, but she lost 15 pounds and she maintained that over 4 years. So when the bracing stopped, her recovery accelerated immediately. Now, here's another client of mine. This was her three-year check-in with me. She's a private CEO and a community activist, really busy lady. Um, she wanted to tell me that, her life was going, well, her life was lifing. And I want to show you here that stability is not really proven. Stability is not really proven when life is calm, right? It's proven under pressure. And she was going through a hard time. Her husband had a medical emergency. She's in the middle of caregiving. She's got these really big personal and financial stressors that are happening in her business and in her personal life. But what she wanted to highlight is that her labs remain stable. And what I want to highlight is that resilience can be measured in your lab, right? Now, in her 3 year check-in with me, right? Her physician ordered her labs. And she was really concerned because she knew that she was in a time of acute life stress. But her kidneys were strong, her blood sugar was excellent, her immune system was normal. There were no inflammatory markers, and there was no signs of dysfunction. Stability under pressure is what happened. And we were, she was over the moon, right? Because she just knew that her health was dipping, but she maintained her daily restoration strategy, and this is what she got. And I will tell you that this is way different than how she looked 3 years before, right? So sustained by vitality, I've worked with hundreds of women, and the first shift really isn't your weight or your libido or your labs, right? The first shift is steadiness. You can see it, you can feel it, the glow, the calm, the focus, right? Anxiety decreases, inflammation begins to calm, energy becomes available again, not because we forced it, but because we stopped overriding the system. And so in 10 weeks, we don't fix everything, but we change the trajectory. So when you go back to your physician, the needle finally moves, but more importantly, you trust yourself again. Yeah. And when this layer shifts, right, the body responds. A nonprofit executive sleeping through the night in week 3, an aeronautical engineer reclaiming 3 hours of her day, right, clear, focused, and decisive. A project manager in chronic pain, pain gone, 15 pounds in 10 weeks. These are the types of things that happen when you are using your daily restoration strategy when it's in place. Different women, different history, same pattern, different trajectory. But when rhythm integrates, when you create a rhythm in your day and a healing rhythm in your life, your system will stabilize. Now, listen, we don't chase symptoms, we restore rhythm. Your calendar no longer runs you, it protects you, grounded, certain, drama free. Now, the women who thrive in midlife are not the ones who push harder. They're the ones that stop straining. They become softer, but safe in their softness. They become more discerning, more selective. They filter all of their decisions through their health first. And not selfishly, but strategically, because they understand something that most women learn way, way too late. If she collapses, everything that she holds collapses with her. And this is strategic health for the woman who cannot afford to collapse. Now, listen, this is not for women who are looking for quick fixes. It is for women who are ready to change direction. For most women, it has taken 15 to 20 years to build this current trajectory. And in 10 weeks, we can shift that through daily integration, through precision, through the life force method. So if you're ready to gain strength without the strain, then go ahead and apply. Let's look at your chessboard and change the position. My name is Dr. Verrett. I am the founder of the Restoration Institute. I have really enjoyed spending this time with you. Blessings and love. Take care.